What's up, guys? It's Bravo Brody, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be making some funfetti cupcakes. But first, I gotta wash my hands because all the stuff going on right now. Now I'm gonna wash my hands for 20 seconds, like they said. Got the coughing going on around. Yeah, you guys, make sure you wash your hands for 20 seconds. We got the coughing going on. Make sure to be safe, stay home, be careful, and yeah, make sure to wash your hands. And let's hop into it. Alright, let's start with the ingredients. So we got the cupcake mix right here. We got the cupcake holders. I got 12 over here because that's how much I can hold. Then we got the frosting. And we got the sprinkles. And we got 1/4 of oil, cooking oil. And we got 1 cup of water. And we're going to use 4 eggs for the cupcake. This is our, for the cupcakes. And this is our mixer to mix it in. And yeah. Alright, next step, guys, is the instructions. So it says bake at 350. So we're going to bake at 350 for the preheat. Alright, now guys, we're going to put all the ingredients in the bowl. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to put the cupcake mix in there. Now we're going to put the 1/4 of oil. Then the 1 cup of water. And then we're going to put the 4 eggs in there. And yeah, guys, I'm going to catch you later. Alright, guys, now we got all the eggs and all the ingredients in there. Now we're finna mix. This is fun, guys. Alright, next, guys, we're going to put the cupcake mix in the cupcake holders. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get done with it. Alright, guys, I neatly put them in the cupcake holder. We're going to put it about halfway, and we're going to pop them in the oven and put it on 20 minutes. And yeah, catch you guys when it gets done. Alright, guys, it's been 20 minutes. We're going to get them out, let them cool down, and we're going to put the icing on. We're going to let them cool down for like 10-15 minutes. Then we're going to put the icing on and sprinkles. And yeah. catch you guys when we get done cooling off. Alright guys, it's been like 15 minutes. So now we're finna put the frosting on it. And we're gonna put the sprinkles on it after we get done with the frosting. And yeah, go ahead and get started. This one right here.
So, up the top. What do you mean, Mom? No, we don't eat it. No. So good. So good. You eat it? Mama don't eat it too.
Yeah.
So one don't eat it too. Mason don't eat it too.
Right
Touch the
there.
ball, man. Touch the ball.
Okay.
Go.
Touch the ball, man. Touch the ball. Touch the ball, man. Touch the ball, man. So what are you doing? What are you doing?
Hold up, that's a little bit too much. Might not be.
So what are you doing?
It's gonna be so good. Ooh.
We're gonna get the third one.
So really good. So really good. So really good. We're doing.
Alrighty guys, I'll catch you when we get done with all of it. Alrighty guys, this is the last. We did all of it. We're done. And guys, thank you for all the support. We're almost at 1,000. Keep on liking my videos, subscribing, and turn the bell. Really supports me. And yeah, thank you guys. I'm gonna try it out real quick. If I can even get it out. Ooh. Mmm. Want some, Mason? You want one? Okay.
Tell us how it is, Mason. Did Brody do a good job? Is it good? So good?
And peace.